So today, again, I also had a late start, but I was really craving some pancakes. So I actually wanted to try out these Kodiak flapjack pancakes that are supposedly protein packed. I bought this one because I wanted to try it before I committed to the larger box. And let's see, it gives you instructions to microwave, but I don't really want to microwave them. I kind of want to just like cook them in the pan. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'll make the batter and then I'll just, you know, heat them up in the pan. Okay, so it says for best results, add a 1/4 cup of cold water, or you can add milk for extra protein. Then you should microwave on high for 60 seconds, but again, we're gonna use a pan for this. Here's what the batter looks like. Pretty cool. Let's see. Okay, we'll start there. Then I have my mixing spoon. So the consistency is a little thick. I think it might need a little more. It's a little watery, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. I love preparing my pan with butter, and we're gonna use Kerrygold. Okay, so here's the final product. I did cook an egg. I just feel like it really completes the entire dish. I love the combination of sweet and savory, so I always have to have an egg with my pancakes. And sometimes if I have sausage, I'll cook that too, but I didn't have any, so yes. Let's try this out. Okay, we're gonna add some syrup. So now we have breakfast. Okay, I'll try out the pancake by itself. Wow, so far I'm very impressed. Like, I'm actively trying to find something I don't like about it, but I actually really like it. It tastes just like the real deal. I don't know if cooking them in the pan makes a difference. It probably does, low-key. But high-key, you should be doing that. Hello there, I'm back, and guess what? I went to Marshall's. So I didn't buy too many things, thankfully, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys my little haul of what I got. We'll start with these cuties. So I got these Tommy Hilfiger sneakers. I thought they were really pretty. As soon as I saw them, I said, oh, I think I need those. I've been looking for, you know, a semi-formal sneaker. So I have plenty of casual ones, but sometimes for school we need to dress up, and I don't want to wear flats or, you know, any uncomfortable shoe. And I'm really glad I found these. They're leather, so I think they make them look a little bit more formal, not super casual. But anyway, next thing I got is a birthday card for my friend. Her birthday's coming up soon, so I need to mail that to her. Then I got a magnetic card holder. I thought it was so cute. It's like a little cat. So I got that. And then on my last vlog, I mentioned that I wanted a new phone case, and I found one. And it's a really pretty blue color too. And then, I mean, this is random, but I wanted to try these Tahine peach rings. They look really good, and I'm hoping my husband likes them too, because he's into this. So we'll give that a try. And lastly, I got some storage containers. They were a pretty good deal, I think, for $8. So this will be helpful to help me organize my nightstand and hopefully my desk too. So yeah, that's all I got for now. Okay, so I got a little hungry and decided to make myself a snack. So really all I did was add like a tablespoon of hemp seeds, and I also added this granola. It's really good. And yeah, it's my snack for now. And now I'm running late to the airport. Oh, I think I parked on 4.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.